Welcome to our comparison of two popular portable washing machines, the Comfee and the Anypro. In this video, we will dive deep into their features, specifications, and what makes each of them unique. Whether you're looking for a compact washer for your apartment, dorm, or RV, we've got you covered. Let's get started. When it comes to capacity, the Comfee offers a compact 0.9 cubic feet, making it ideal for smaller loads. In contrast, the Anypro has a capacity of 17.8 pounds, which allows for larger loads, making it more suitable for families or those with bigger laundry needs. This difference in capacity can significantly impact how often you need to do laundry, especially in a busy household. The Comfee features 5 wash cycles, including heavy, soft, normal, rapid, and soak, which cover a range of laundry needs. On the other hand, the Anypro offers a more versatile selection with 10 wash programs, allowing users to customize their washing experience based on fabric types and soil levels. This variety can be crucial for achieving the best cleaning results. Noise level is another important factor to consider, especially in smaller living spaces. The Comfee operates at 62 decibels, which is relatively noticeable during use. In contrast, the Anypro operates at a quieter 40 decibels, making it a better choice for those who prefer a peaceful environment while doing laundry. This difference can greatly enhance your overall laundry experience. In conclusion, both the Comfee and Anypro portable washing machines have their strengths and weaknesses. The Comfee is compact and energy efficient, while the Anypro offers more wash programs and operates more quietly. Depending on your specific needs, one may be more suitable than the other. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.